Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm out on my way to the Home Depot for a third time for my brake project. That's not including 2 trips to AutoZone so far. And I'm just laughing. You gotta laugh. And it's not because the job is difficult. It's just because it's new to me and I keep missing things. And actually, this trip is because the floor jack I bought was flukishly defective, so I'm taking it back, and that's never fun, but I do recognize that I am lucky to have such problems, lucky to have a 2005 Prius to be working on, lucky to have access to some money that I borrowed in order to buy some tools and parts, and access to the internet so I can learn how to do it myself. I was going to take a couple $100 and a coupon to the dealer and have my brake pads done, and then a friend of mine reminded me that it's not that hard, and when I looked it up, I had been intimidated by the hybrid factor of the Prius, but it turns out it's no big deal at all. It's nothing related to the brake pads at all, at least not in the front brake pads. There's a anti-lock brake system, which I do need to pay a little of attention to, so that I make sure I don't activate it while I have my calipers off. And other than that, it zips up. Other than the fact that I didn't have tools, didn't have a jack, didn't have a torque wrench, and the first jack I bought was defective. But lucky for me, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I had already set aside the afternoon to go take care of this at the dealer. It's something I really need to take care of, and so I'm kind of stoked to be learning more about my car. Like I mentioned, the hybrid aspect had me really intimidated, but now that I've done some research on how to do the brakes and run into several other lines of mechanicin, I've realized that actually it's a very simple machine, very effective, very efficient machine, and I may just fix it up and hang on to it for a while and get me a truck instead of a car for other needs. We will see, huh? I hope that you're enjoying. I hope you got first world problems like me and that you're enjoying them fully. That's my 2 cents for right now. I'll keep you posted. I'll be posting a video on my whole brake experience when I get it done, hopefully. And hopefully that will be real soon. Till next time, cheers, ciao. Positivity, progress, potential, and silliness.